Welcome to a tutorial on how to make a bubblegum girl poster. So here we go. First of all, get your model and then remove the background. That will give you a mask, and then you can go down to layers and select hue and saturation. Within that option, I select the saturation and bring it right down to give it the grey tone. Then come back into the styles layer and this time choose solid colour. This is where you can be creative with your bubblegum colour. I'm hoping to finalise with a pink, so let's get started with a red tone. Then come into your layer filters and choose hard mix, and then you can adjust the fill setting. Play around with the colour settings as much as you want, but your goal is really to get maybe 4 highlights of different shades of colours. So black, white, red, and then a lighter red or pink, or what I'm going to settle on is a yellow and a green. So have a look and then see if you can do something similar. Then go to your layer adjustments and choose black and white. In here you can change the settings as much as you want, but I prefer just to click on auto. Give your black and white adjustment a bit of a lighter tint. Then select gradient map adjustments layer. You can choose a custom gradient or pick a gradient from the list, and remember you can also change your filters on your layer selection. So we're just going to play around with the set gradients and choose purple and look for something purple pinkish so we can get a mix of the blue in, and like we're going to see here, you know, that we're looking for something just with a bit bubblegum inspired colour to it. A great tip is to come to your toolbar, go to image, adjustments, and then shadows and highlights, and you can play around and see the difference. Choose show more options to see more things that you can adjust. Now if you notice, I can go back to my hue and saturation layer and make a few adjustments just to fine tune the colours. Now select the layer and make it a smart object, and once it is, you can remove the background and that will create another channel mask, and then go to channels and that's what you see just now. Select the brush tool and paint to erase any transparent requirements that you need. Then it's time to choose a commercial free font, so we're just going to use font space, and here we are, something curvy and bubblegum like. Install the font as usual and then come back into Photoshop, set up your text and apply the font. Select drop shadow on the font layer, and then you can change the blend mode colour to something that suits the bubblegum look. Then you can start to drop in your clip art. So I'm just using my source as freepik.com, and then all I'm doing is just finding a vector, opening it in Illustrator, and then copying it and pasting it as a smart object into Photoshop. Once you're happy with the placement of however many and how much clip art you want, then that's you. You can just save the file and export it to a PNG to keep the transparency if you have it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed watching. Thanks very much for tuning in. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.